Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
Hello, and we thought we would share our two purchases.
Well, your purchases, this gets you quite excited, doesn't it? The plastic welding.
Yeah, so we've got a plastic stapler and sort of welder, and then a plastic method of filling a hole. So we thought we'd try them both, and we thought we may as well film it because I have no idea how it works, couldn't see too much on it.
Nope.
So we thought we would do it.
So we've got a sacrificial beer crate that we found by the side of the road and have cleaned up.
As you do.
Yep, so what we've done is cut a hole in it to replicate as big a crack as you'd probably get, and we're going to try and fill it in.
Right, so this little devil has stainless steel staples with a kit that heats them up. So let's explain what we've got. We've got an AliExpress special, so it's unbranded because I'm assuming lots of people buy them and sell them, so there's no brand on it whatsoever, so we can't tell you whether, well, we don't know if it's any good yet.
Nope, we're going to find out.
So obviously it's fairly straightforward. You have stainless steel staples of varying shapes. We'll show you those in a second. So you've got these sort of wobbly ones which should fill the crack easier. And this kit came with a 0.6mm and a 0.8. They go in here, heats it up, melts into that. We'll show you that in a second. And it also comes with this adapter, which I'm assuming, where I've heated it up and I haven't really done anything with it yet, but heat it up and then you can sort of wiggle it across and melt plastic back together. But the example we have here is literally, we've cut a slot in it. So we want to repair that slot and let's see how we get on. So we are going to try this little devil here, and we're going to try and pin that crack. There's varying temperature settings, so let's see how we get on.
So you can see it there, look, the machine's got on, we're just on number 3.
Because that's what it came on.
Yep, so we're going to give it a try. So you put that.
And that slots into the hole at the end. Button here, press the button, should get warm, let's see. Oh, look, a bit of smoke.
Ooh.
Oh, we're liking that.
Yeah, that's cool. That's clever, that.
So let's see. Am I going to
go on? Go on. Yeah, you got it.
So my theory is that we've obviously cut this, but if it was a crack, I'm thinking start below the crack.
Yep.
So it doesn't
so
continue.
it can't continue. Good idea.
And then we'll go from there.
Yep.
So this shouldn't be too difficult, should it? He says confidently. Right, it's going to be a red heat. There we go. Did I go too far?
Don't know. Slightly.
Yeah, slightly too far.
Well, first try.
Hold on.
Hang on, I've
Let's
got
show how
that.
crap it was.
Look, there you are. You can see it slightly came through. Nothing too major, but first try.
Can I have another go?
You certainly can.
I think I can do better.
Yeah.
Right, let's have another crack at that.
Oh, hang on, yeah. When you lean on it, it's in the crack. Right, that's it. Oh, God, it's on fire. Oh, straight. Oh, amateur move.
Yeah, so.
Straight through. You've made the crack bigger.
Right, it must be your turn now. I think I've got over. Do you think we should turn it down one?
I think maybe, yeah, go down to, we're on 3, go down to 2.
So we've gone down to 2.
Right,
he says. Hold on, can we see that? We've gone down to
number
2. Because I've had a miserable failing.
Well, you know, maybe it's not as easy as people make it look.
Well, I've never seen anyone do it, to be honest.
Well, shall I go one above? Or
well,
shall I try stapling yours like that?
Well, let's go this way.
What,
well,
this way?
Hang on, whose hand's it in?
Whose hand's it?
Who's got the button?
No, I'm trying to think of a logical way to do it. Should I go?
Well, I think we should go all the way there, and then this great big bit that I've cocked up
we'll fill in.
We'll fill in a minute.
Okay. Right, it's my turn.
Glad it's not the car.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, pretty to watch.
Take it, I've got to wait for that. God, it's very hot. There we go. My question is that, I think that's far enough in, maybe not quite. Oh, that looks pretty good to me.
Well, I think it's better than mine. Here we are, keep going.
Well, it's in there.
Well, you're clearly better than me at it.
Don't know.
That does look quite satisfactory.
Well, it should be quite substantial.
Oh, hello.
Let that one
Not
cure.
bad.
Not bad.
So, should we brave it and waz one in there?
Yes, let's do it.
Oh, that's actually quite satisfactory, isn't it?
Oh.
Right, so let's trim this up and we'll be back. So that's where we've got to. Clip those off. So far, remarkably strong. Remarkably strong. So our next bit of kit, we were going to, when we started this, this bit goes on your hot air gun,
yeah.
but it fell to bits. So we've had to wait for the arrow date to go off.
Yeah. Doesn't look the prettiest, but the heat gun, like you said, just didn't quite fit for some reason. So we've arrow-dighted it up, and now we're going to give it a try.
Right, so the theory of this little devil is you put him on your heat gun, you put this attachment on there, that's angled, so angled up
or down?
Angled down, angled down.
I think down, yeah.
Angled down. This bit goes on here, and you feed your plastic through, and theoretically a hot lump of gunk is going to come out there
Yep.
and fill that hole. Should we try
How
it?
hard can it be?
How hard can this be?
Right, well, that's in there.
Well, that's at 35 degrees.
What? Can't be.
And at the end, it's 19 degrees.
Well, it can't be.
Well, it is.
Surely.
Ow. It's hot.
It's hot. It's not broken.
250.
And I've only been on a second. It's going to get up. Didn't work, did it?
So, we've quit. Now, the heat gun shows it's hot enough.
Yes.
But for some reason, it won't radiate out of that nozzle.
No.
So we would say that's a fail.
We would.
And we're not
the
going
heat gun's not faulty, so
No.
just that nozzle stops all the heat coming out for whatever reason.
And there's no point welding it with a heat gun. We're back to trying this little devil.
Yes.
So, we slide him on there.
So my technique's gonna be just sort of try and flatten that in almost.
So weld that in, and then we'll sand it off, do you think?
Yep.
It's not going to be quick, is it?
It's not, is it? I thought that would go through it and just turn it into butter. Oh, that's quite interesting. Look, it's like liquid.
Nice. Oh, so it's not going to take as long?
No, that's such. I was thinking how I'm going to push it into the crack, but at this rate I'm not going to have to because it sort of spreads. Look. Oh, that's weird stuff.
Let's
sand it off, see what it looks like, and you can always fill in more, I suppose.
We can.
That's gone quite well, hasn't it?
Well, if you painted that, you wouldn't see it because it's so. It doesn't look that good because we use black on white, but that's so smooth. I mean, that's everything I've got.
Well, that's not bad, is it? No, but it's not bad.
No.
Right. So, what have we learned there then?
Difficult start.
Difficult start. Good finish.
That's very smooth. You probably can't see it or feel it, but that is. It's no different to there. It's really good. Well,
you could,
a little bit different.
You could fix that up and get that perfect if it was your car bumper or something like that.
Yeah,
so.
I'm liking that. I'm thinking it, and I'm thinking that on a plastic bumper is probably better to do than filler because filler will just crack.
Very true. That's got a bit of flex in it. Good bit of kit, this. The
stapling, excellent.
Excellent. Heat gun attachment, don't recommend it. This was from AliExpress.
This stuff, if you've got a cable tie, don't waste your money. Don't waste your money on the heat gun attachment. In our opinion, it was pointless.
And if you've got a soldering iron or something laying about and you're not worried about getting plastic on it, give it a crack with that and see how you get on, because it's actually remarkably easy. And that is a really good bit of kit.
I think the stapling has made that, that's incredibly strong. We've tried, we can't break that.
No.
So it's done a really good job.
Really good job. So hopefully you found it interesting. We haven't seen many videos on it, so we thought we'd just film our experience and show us doing it. And that was actually our first time doing it, and it's gone really well.
It was our very first time doing it.
Yep. So hopefully you found it interesting, and thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Oh, very well done.
That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways, and happiness will start to make sense. Happiness will start to make sense.